Substring is the function used to get the value of a certain length from a certain starting point in a string expression. 3 parameters are sent to the substring function. The first parameter can be a string expression or a column with a string data type. The second parameter is the starting point of the desired value. The third parameter specifies how many characters to take after the start point. We can better understand how the substring function works by making an example in SQL Server. In this example, a string expression is sent as the first parameter. With this code, we can get the 6-character value after the first character of the turtle code string expression. Turtle expression is printed. Let's print 8 characters after the first character. Let's print 7 characters after the second character. Now let's send a column with string data type as the first parameter. Let's do a simple example for this. I am creating a table with ID and country columns. I am adding 10 records to the table using the insert into command. We can see the data in the table using the select command. My goal is to show the first 3 letters of the data in the country column in another column. I can do this using the substring function. I am sending the country column as the first parameter. The second parameter specifies the starting point. The third parameter represents how many characters will be taken after the starting point. The first 3 letters of the data in the country column are printed in another column. 0 and negative values can be sent as the first parameter. Let's do a few examples. The first 2 letters are printed. Let's send negative value. The first letter is printed. With a few tries, you can better understand how negative values work in the substring function. Thanks for watching. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.